Tarak Mehta is one of the most popular show of Indian television. This issue has completed more than 2500 episodes and the characters of the show are very popular now as they are entertaining us for so many years. All these actors in the show are extremely brilliant in acting. A lot of these actors have worked in some Bollywood movies too. The characters in the serial are famous for their taglines and also they have entertained us with some common facial expressions which are too funny. Today we came up with a list of male stars of the serial and how they will look like in a female version of them. Jethalal is the most popular character of the show and often seen in the serial posters. He is like a central character and without him the show will lose its value. The character is played by Dilip Joshi and has been a part of the show since 2008. Next up we have the character of Popatlal played by Shyam Pathak is also associated with the show since 2008. His popular tagline is the Golden Crow Award winner and the avatar of girl. He looks very cute female reporter. Champaklal. Born in Saurashtra region of Gujarat, Amit Bhatt plays the character of Champaklal Gada who is the father of Jethalal. He also appeared in the movie Love Yatri released in 2018. In the female version, he is seen scolding his son Jethalal. Tarak Mehta. Shailesh Lodha plays the character of Tarak Mehta. Going by his character name, he should have been the lead character, but Jethalal is the one who actually kind of plays the lead in the show. Bhide. Played by Mandar Sandvadkar, secretary of Gokuldham Society and also the tuition teacher who is always after Tappu, who is the son of Jethalal. In the female version, he looks like strict female teacher posing for a selfie. Next up we have our very own scientist, played by Tanuj Mahasabde, aka Iyer, who is also husband of the character Babita, and today we can see the female scientist, Baga. Baga is another famous character from the show who works at Gada Electronics owned by Jethalal. And today we can see the female version of Crazy Baga, Nattu Kaka. Next in the list is Nattu Kaka, the senior employee of Gada Electronics played by Ghanshyam Naik. Talented actor, has worked around 200 Gujarati and Hindi movies. In the show, he is popular for his amazing command over English language. Abdul. Abdul is a character who runs soda shop outside the Gokuldham Society, which is also mini departmental store. The character of Abdul is played by Sharad Sankal, who also has worked in popular movies like Badshah and Bazigar. Next up we have the character of Tappu played by Raj Anadkar, who joined the show an year and a half back. He plays the character of Jethalal's son Tappu and also he is a leader of Tappu Sena. Goli. Played by Khush Shah, Goli is the son of Dr. Hathi in the show who is big foodie just like his father, Pinku. Another member of Tappu Sena is a Pinku who is a part of the show for a very long time now. He doesn't stay in the Gokuldham Society but is a part of the Tappu Sena. Pinku's character is played by Pankaj Diman Sai. Inspector Chalu Pandey. Chalu Pandey is played by Dayashankar Pandey. He is one of the finest actors who appears in a side role in Bollywood movies. He is popular for Oscar-nominated movie Lagan in the character of Goli. Last in the list, Dr. Hathi, which was played by Kavi Kumar Azad for a long time. He is no longer with us, but his cute dialogue, Sahi Baatein, will be remembered for a long time. Well, this is a list of female version of male stars of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. Which one is your favorite? Do tell us in comment section below. And follow telechakkar.com ताकि आपके favorite celebrities की खबरें, favorite shows की खबरें आप तक पहुंचती रहे. धन्यवाद.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.